Hello children, I hope you all are doing well and I hope you all are in good health. Yes, I'm Margaret Fernandez, your nursery teacher, and I'm so excited to come back again with another interesting topic. And I know children, you just wait to see when your teacher comes to teach you all, right? And we also are very excited to come and teach you different things. Okay, and today I have something really interesting for you. Yes, I'm going to teach you alphabets. Yes, children. Now, you know there are 26 alphabets, right? As you all know, there are 26 alphabets. Yes, not just 1, 2, 3 alphabets, but there are 26 alphabets. Yes, and today teacher is going to introduce one alphabet to you, and that is letter E. Yes, can you all repeat after me, children? Letter E. Yes. Now, before I teach you letter E, I want you to get up from your place and have some masti with me. Okay, I want you to sing and dance along with me as we sing the alphabet song. So are you ready, children, to do some masti, to do some dance? Okay, and I want you to dance and sing along with me. Okay, so are you ready, children? Yes. Come on, let's see. What is this? Wow, this is a water park. It's Alphabet Water Park. Wow, this is awesome. Oh, that's a lot of water. Now what is coming out? Come on, start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Won't you come and sing with me? Come on, children. We are having a great fun. And I hope you're also singing along with me. Yes, come on, children. Now we know our ABC. I hope you also know your ABC. Yes? So do you know your ABC now? Okay, the 26 alphabets, A, B, C till Z. Okay, that's great. And now children, teacher is going to introduce one letter to you today, and that is letter E. Yes, children, that's letter E. Okay, can you all repeat after me? E. Slightly stretch your lips and say E. Come on, children. Show me your teeth. I want you to smile. E. Yes, I'm going to teach you letter E. Yes, children. So you know to say letter E, right? Now, let's see how to write this letter. Okay? So I don't want you to write, but I want you to know how this letter E looks. Okay? So this is letter E. That's right. This is letter E. Okay, children. So you saw how E looks, right? So now I'm going to teach you the sound of letter E. Okay? I'm going to teach you the sound for letter E. That's right. Can you repeat after me, children? E. Yes. Now you know that E has two sounds? Yes, E has two sounds. One is short E sound and one is long E sound. Yes. E, letter E has two sound. One is short E sound and one is long E sound. Okay, so now I will show you some words. Okay, some words that starts with letter E. Okay, so we are going to say those letters, we are going to say those words with letter E, and we are going to even say it with the sound. Okay, so the first one is short letter E. So what is the sound for short letter E? Eh. Come on, repeat after me, children. Eh. Yes. Eh. Okay. Say E sound. E sounds E. E for egg. Egg. Now, next word. E sounds E. E for elephant. Elephant. Okay? Elephant. Can you get that? Elephant. E sounds E. E for elephant. Did you get that? Okay, now let's see the next one. Okay? E sounds E. E for elbow. 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 Did you get that, children? Come on, repeat after me. Elbow. Elbow. E sounds E. Bow. Elbow. Okay. Now the next word. Okay? Now the next word is E sounds E. E for engine. Engine. Come on, children, repeat after me. E sounds E. E for engine. E for engine. Okay. Now the next letter. E sounds E. E for envelope. 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 Say, children, envelope. E sounds E. E sounds envelope. 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 Okay, so the next one. Are you ready for the next one? Yes. E sounds E. E for Eskimo. Eskimo. Come on, repeat after me. E sounds E. E for Eskimo. Eskimo. Okay, children, so you got this? Okay, so one more word, okay? E sounds E. E for elk. Elk. Can you repeat after me? Elk. Come on, children, repeat after me. Elk. Yes. So, children, did you see how fun it is to learn alphabets with so many pictures and so many things that you can remember with letter E and the sound? Okay? Okay, so children, now I'm going to teach you the E sound. But now I'm going to teach you the E long sound. Okay, the E. We learned E has two, as I told you, E has two sounds. One is short E sound and one is long E sound. So now I'm going to teach you the long E sound. Now what is the sound for that? Okay, the sound for that is E. Okay, the short was egg. Now for long it's E. Okay, children? So now let's see something. Okay, now look at this. Yes, this is an eagle. Yes. Okay, come on, everybody say E says E. E for eagle. E says E. E for eagle. Can we say one sentence also? I can see an eagle fly high in the sky. Okay, I'll repeat. E says E. E for eagle. And the sentence is, I can see an eagle fly high in the sky. Okay, children? Now, there's another word. Okay. E says E. E for east. Yes. E says E. E for east. Now, the sentence for east. The sun rises in the east. Come on, say, children. The sun rises in the east. The long E sound. East. The sun rises in the east. Okay. Now we see the next word. Okay. Evening. Evening. E sounds. E. E for evening. Okay, repeat after me, children. E. E for evening. And the sentence, can we say a sentence for this? Yes. I go out to play in the evening. 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 Okay? I go out to play in the evening. Understood, children? So these are some letters from letter E. But this has a E sound. But this sound is E. But this is a long E letter sound. Okay? This is a long E letter sound. So as I told you, children, that there are two sounds for E. One is short E sound and one is long E sound. So how does the short E sound? Who will tell me? Can you tell me how does the short E sound is? Egg, elephant, antelope. Yes, so these are all short E sound and the letters, the words from short E sound. Now what are some letters from long E sound? So long E sound, how is that? E. That's right. E. So children, are you ready? Okay, for the activity. So children, teacher has got a worksheet for you. Okay. And in this worksheet, there are different words and there are pictures. Okay. So you need to tell me, okay, the correct word for letter E. Okay. For letter E. As we saw, E says an. E for egg, elephant, elbow. That's right. So you know the words, right? So now I'm going to give you the worksheet. You have to put a tick mark for the right word and cross out the wrong word. Okay, so here is the worksheet for you, children. So what is this? Oh, this is letter E. E for egg. That's right. E for elbow. Correct. E for elephant. Correct. No, ball. It's wrong. Yes, so this is the right answer. So this is a worksheet and I hope you understood this worksheet. Through this you have understood the different words for letter E. So children, you know that how you can do all this at home. Tell your mummy and daddy to make some more activities for you like that, to make some more worksheet for you, and you will enjoy doing this and you will learn to recognize letter E.
Take care. Bye, children.